Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to show you this emoji picker for React using Shadsy anyway. So this is free mouse. I don't know, something is called something, but it's very good. So this is like an emoji picker which I've been wanting for a long time. Something very good like this. So it's very simple. It has all the emojis. You can select a skin tone, you can select an emoji, and it's added here. You can increment, decrement with this. It's very cool. It has good animations for the things opening, closing, and the search is very fast. And yeah, so if you're creating a new project, try this out. It's very good, and it works with Shadsy anyway, which probably everyone should use Shadsy anyway, as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, this is good, and it has lots of options. Shadsy anyway. It's very composable with other Shadsy anyway components. So yeah, it's very good. So try to use it, and I'll leave the link in the description. Try to use it in your React projects. I've already added this to like multiple of my React projects, so it's very easy to use. That's why I'm recommending it, and it looks good. It has good animations, and overall it gets a big thumbs up for me. So I'll leave the link in the description. Try it out and let me know how it goes. That's it for this video. Bye bye.